Are you ready to elevate your cooking game with air fryer salmon? This dish is perfect for beginners, offering a delicious way to enjoy omega-3 rich salmon. In just under 15 minutes, you can serve up crispy, tender salmon without the mess of traditional cooking methods. Let's explore why air frying salmon is a game changer. It cooks quickly and evenly, reducing the risk of burning or undercooking while keeping your kitchen clean. No oil splatters to deal with. And the best part? You don't need to be a chef to achieve gourmet results at home. Let's dive into the steps to make the perfect air fryer salmon. First, choose the right salmon. For beginners, skin-on fillets are best. They're easy to handle and yield the perfect crispy texture. Fresh is ideal, but frozen works too. Just ensure it's thawed and dried. Now gather your tools. You'll need an air fryer, tongs, and some basic seasonings like salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Don't complicate it. Keep it simple to start. Start by prepping your salmon. Remove it from the fridge and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Pat it dry. This step is crucial for achieving that crisp exterior. Season generously with your chosen spices. Next, preheat your air fryer to 390 degrees. If your model requires it, preheating helps create that perfect sear. Place the salmon in the basket skin side down, ensuring you leave space between each piece for proper air circulation. Now, it's time to cook. Depending on the thickness of your fillet, it will take about 8 to 12 minutes. Use a meat thermometer to check for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Celsius. After cooking, let your salmon rest for a few minutes to allow the juices to redistribute. Serve it immediately with a squeeze of lemon or your favorite sauce. To enhance your air fryer salmon, avoid common mistakes. Don't skip the drying step, as moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Stick to seasoning rather than wet marinades, which can lead to steaming instead of crisping. Once you're comfortable, get creative with flavors. Try a honey garlic glaze or a zesty lemon herb rub to switch things up. Remember, not only is air fryer salmon delicious, but it's also nutritious. Packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, it's a heart-healthy choice. Consuming it regularly can benefit your health, making it a staple in any home cook's repertoire. To wrap up, air fryer salmon for beginners is a quick and enjoyable way to achieve restaurant-quality dishes at home. With just a few simple steps, you can impress yourself and others. So, are you ready to try it tonight? Grab your fillet, fire up your air fryer, and enjoy the culinary adventure that awaits.